If your wrists feel like they are on fire after a long day at the office, this massive setup might just be the cure you have been looking for. The MEETION Director C split keyboard and vertical mouse combo is designed to completely change how you interact with your computer by forcing your body into a more natural posture. The first thing anyone will notice is the sheer size of this thing. It is a full-size layout with a deep concave curve that looks a bit intimidating at first, but once your hands land on those angled keys, it all starts to make sense. The split design means your arms stay parallel instead of bunching up in front of your chest, which immediately takes the pressure off your shoulders and neck. One of the standout features is the pillowed wrist rest. It is not just a hard piece of plastic. It is a soft, non-slip cushion that actually supports your palms while you type, reducing the risk of those nasty, repetitive strain injuries. Moving over to the mouse, MEETION went with a vertical design that mimics a natural handshake position. It has a silent switch, which is a lifesaver in quiet offices, and the side-scrolling wheel is a nice touch for anyone working in long spreadsheets. You can toggle the sensitivity from 800 all the way up to 2400 dpi, depending on how much precision you need for your specific tasks. Connectivity is handled by a single USB-A receiver that both devices share, and they even included a USB-C adapter in the box, though you have to remember that the adapter needs the receiver plugged into it to function. Both the keyboard and mouse are fully rechargeable with 500 mAh batteries, giving you about a month or two of juice on a single charge. It feels like a premium, well-thought-out ecosystem for anyone tired of the standard flat keyboard fatigue. If you have the desk space to accommodate its large footprint, this setup is a massive win for long-term comfort and productivity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.